Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix microphone not working on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem on Windows 10 or 11, just you have to follow these simple steps. So now here click on privacy and security, and guys you have to underneath app permissions click on microphone and turn on microphone access, and also turn on let apps access your microphone, and especially if you are facing in any particular application like Skype or voice record or Discord or any application where you facing problems, so make sure these options are on. And still you are facing problem using this method, so you can try the second method. Open control panel. Here open control panel, and in control panel guys you have to click on sound, and here you will see a list of speakers, headphones. So make sure your speakers are selected. If another one is selected, so select your speaker and set as default. And also guys, click on right click on it and select properties, and in the levels maximum level here, then click on OK, again OK, exit and restart. So using this method guys you can fix and resolve microphone not working. Thanks for watching. Comment if this video useful for you or not.